What is up, Kiwis, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making the viral TikTok yogurt toast. So I'm starting off by adding some yogurt into my bowl, and along with that I'm going to be adding 1 egg. And now that we've added our egg, we're also going to be adding some vanilla extract and honey. So now we can give that a good mix, and if you guys haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you. So this is how it should look once it's all done being mixed up. And now I'm going to be placing 4 slices of bread on my baking tray. And now we're going to take a spoon and we're going to make dents inside the bread. And then we can go ahead and add that yogurt filling in the middle. Now feel free to top the toast with your berries of choice. I'm using strawberries and blueberries. And once we're done with that, feel free to drizzle a little bit of honey on top. So now we can place this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. And once it's done, it should look like this. So you guys, this toast ended up tasting so good. I highly recommend that you guys try out this recipe. And if you're really feeling it, you can also add another drizzle of honey on top. So that's it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!